all know, animals are very important and precious to our environment. It not only forms the food chain, but also make up most of the ecosystem. And us humans can't live without the animals. I'm Yojun.
And I'm Gayatri.
And today, we, the students of MDIS Media Hub, will go take a look at the first ever Singapore goat farm.
Hey Dairies, established in 1988, is home to more than 800 goats of mixed breeds. The goats here range from Alpines, Nubians, and Sannins to even Toggenburgs and other crossbreeds. They are the providers of locally produced goat milk nationwide. So let's go take a look, yeah?
Let's go. Here you are inside the goat farm.
In here, you can get up close and personal with these animals, feed them, and even pet them. Let's go pet some goats.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, here we have someone who's just experienced this goat farm. What do you think about the environment here?
The environment is super clean. It's not that dirty, and it's really nice.
How do you like your overall experience here?
My experience is really good. Like I fed some goats, and they were really nice. Yeah.
How did you discover this place?
One of my friends came here, and I saw her on Instagram, and that's how I discovered this place.
Thank you.
好，我现在要访问我旁边这位小姐，就是请问一下，你觉得这边的环境怎么样？
还可以啊，就是不算太脏，也不是很好，有提高的空间。
那你觉得还有什么进步的空间可以去实施？
就是说可以再多做一些清理水啊那些的，什么可以放一点食物在里面啊那种。
那请问一下，你觉得这次来这里这个农场的经验如何？好还是不好？还是？
我觉得很好啊，就可以和动物更进一步的接触，去感受动物，去理解啊，然后还可以有很多好玩的事情发生。
那就是你是怎么知道这里的？就是因为这里算偏僻嘛，那你是怎么知道这里？是从网络上，还是报纸，还是新闻之类的？你是怎么发现这边的？
我是在网络上发现的，他们 post 的一个东西，然后就看到了这个，很有趣，
然后就来体验。
对，
好，謝謝。
Here we have another visitor. So, what do you think of the overall environment here?
Menurutmu bagaimana lingkungan yang ada di sini?
Menyenangkan di sini, tertata rapi juga dan bersih.
What do you think of your overall experience here?
Menurutmu bagaimana pengalaman yang Anda dapatkan di sini?
Tadi kita bisa kasih makan binatang juga, bisa pras susunya juga gitu.
How did you find out about this place?
Bagaimana Anda menemukan lokasi ini?
Saya lihat di sosial media sama diajak teman-teman juga buat kesini.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Alright, we're finally going to try some fresh goat milk. I'm trying the original flavor. She's going to try the chocolate version of it.
Yes.
Okay, let's see how it tastes. Ready?
Okay. Yes.
You can see how fresh it is because there's not much sugary taste to it. You know it's straight from the goat.
I personally don't like goat milk at all, but this is really good. Like it doesn't have any bad smell in it, and it's fresh, and yeah, I like it.
Okay, can you answer some questions for me, please? Okay, I'm going to take that as a yes. How do you like it in here? Okay, I'll ask you a different question. Do you like me? Do you like me? Do you think I'm pretty? You're just gonna lick me, huh? Is this even working?